time it wasn't recording. Hey guys, it's Kath. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video ay kayo sa journey ko sa first year ko in college. I decided na I would bring you guys along with me on this journey. And sisimulan natin siya with a what's in my bag for freshman year. Pero for first semester, this is my bag. I've already showed you this sa previous na vlog ko. This is the bag that I will be using. Sobrang petit lang talaga niya. It's a bag from Mango. Nakuha namin siya for sale. This bag, papakita ko kung ano yung mga nasa loob ng bag ko. So, ito yung mga dadalhin ko for tomorrow. First is, hindi mo pwedeng mawala ang Jisoo lights kasi hikain ako. So, hindi ako pwedeng mainitan. Ingay siya, pero may weird siyang sound na ginagawa kasi nabaksa ko na siya na ilang beses. Then, I have yung lalagyanan ng glasses ko. And then, this is yung bago kong pencil case sa last na vlog. Actually, same day ko rin siyang final ngayon, yung other half. What I did is one sticky note na ilagay ko dito yung inhaler ko para mabilis ko siyang mahanap. So, nilagay ko din yung Bluetooth na earphones ko na bigay lang din ni Kuya. Tara! Party. And then, we have two purple na ball pens in case na kailangan siya. And I have one black ball pen, then one blue ball pen. Decided I would bring two highlighters lang para minimal lang yung dala natin. One correction tape. I have two clips, just my mirror. Hygiene medic kit. 3 zippers here on the second one. Nilagay ko yung mga meds ko para hindi sa gabal. So, I have Neozep pag sinipon ako. And sobrang essential talaga na hindi ako mawalan nitong antihistamine o cetirizine. Kasi dito sa big na zipper, yung napkin, wipes na maliit lang, etc. Tapos, I have powder para just in case na super oily ko na is pwede akong mag-retouch. Lippies lang. Ito lang yung dadalhin kong makeup. So, 2 lippies. Itong nasal spray. Kasi hindi pwede mag-clog yung ilong ko kasi naditrigger yung malalang asthma ko. I have payong. Sobrang unpredictable ng weather. Dito, bigla na lang super init, sobrang maaraw, tapos biglang sobrang buhos ng ulan. So, kailangan natin ng payong. So, this payong, meron siyang double na protection. So, init or tag-ulan is kayang-kaya niya. I have one comb, wallet ko. So, here yung coins ko. Here yung cards ko. And we also have this. Dito ko ilalagay yung papers na kailangan ko. So, ito yung siyang organizer ng everything that I need. Then, we have a index card, 1/4. Nakahanap ako ng unused ko na fillers. Dinala ko sila just in case na it would be useful. So, ka-fold lang na one whole sheet of paper na ginupit ko muna siya ng onte para kasi may mga buraot din. The notebook that I will be using, halos lahat ng notebooks ko na gagamitin is hand-me-down ng kuya. Finally, this is the last one. Binili ko siya solely for my iPad. Ito ay isang case, hindi siya laptop case, but it is a iPad case. It's the same yung contents. So, inside, dito ko ilalagay yung iPad, but currently, I'm filming in my iPad. And then, dito yung keyboard ko na gumagana naman siya. And then, mouse na wala pa akong battery as of now, and charger. And of course, yung power bank. Also put the charger of the iPad here already. That's all for my what's in my bag na part. Yeah, something like that. Basta yan. And, kalimutan ko ipakita guys, I also have yung keychain ni Jonghan. It's an artwork made by a carrot na nahanap ko lang sa isang store. cotton pins. Guys, luck, and I hope makatulog ako ng maayos tonight. Kasi, I'm not gonna lie, kinakabahan ako. Especially na I'm very much aware na super hirap ng program na kinuha ko. Hopefully na ma-manifest ko lang all of the positive things. And yeah, I will bring you around and I will try my best to film kahit na nasa school. And hopefully hindi na ako maging super mahiyain. Guys, good night for now. Guys, tignan kung gaano ako kapawis. Nilahod ko lang pa uwibi. Sabi nga. Update guys. 120 pages ang need namin basahin. Week 1 pa lang sa isang subject namin. May written evaluation next week. Oh my gosh. Until page 30. Kasi mayroon kaming 4 hours na vacancy earlier and hindi talaga maayos. So kanina guys, meron kaming 4 hours na vacant. After our first subject, maaga kaming pinalabas. 4 months since graduate kami, so ang tagal ko na rin hindi gumagawa ng long essay. So kanina, pinag-long essay lang kami about kulturang popular, diba? So, it was even up to us kung anong form ang gusto namin because it would be considered as our recitation. Medyo nanginginig yung kamay ko talaga kapag medyo kinakabahan ako. Or talagang kinakabahan ako. Ba't bakit medyo na medyo? And, I looked chill. Buti na lang, kaklase ko yung isang friend ko. And, magkasama kami the whole day. And, nag-spend din kami ng 4 hours na vacant time namin together. Page 10 pa lang yun. Page 10 pa lang yun sa dami ng information na yan. Pero kasi parang one day pa lang ako hindi masyado nakakausap ng maraming tao. Pero like sobrang floating na yung mind ko. Medyo groggy pa ako. I really need to read now. So, goodbye. See you later, gators, or tomorrow for my day 2. Guys, lala. Babad na babad kami sa init. Curve mag-Jollibee. Free lang to. Nagkaroon kami ng freshman welcoming event. Award yung program nga namin na mag-purple. So, nag-change ako ng purple. Guys, ilang oras yung event. Hindi may iwasan. Pero talagang super init talaga. Akong energy, like hindi lang yung social bath, parang katawan ko sobrang pagod na. Rin kasing tao kasi buong batch namin sa college na yun is super duper dami naming students. Nakipagsiksikan kasi parang feeling ko malapit na akong mahimatay. Kami nami-meet. Meron kaming meeting kanina pero I guess wala pa yung mga prof namin. So nag-early brunch kami. Kahit sobrang tagal na tapos ng event, merong food after kasi hindi ko na kaya magluto talaga. And wala na rin akong extra for eating out.
Pili ko yung allowance ko for this week para sa PE ko kasi I thought, since first subject namin siya ngayong Tuesday, I thought kailangan na namin mag-PE first day. Turns out, overthinker nga lang talaga ako. Pero rather, I'd be prepared before a class kaysa mapahiya or mapagalitan. Pero talaga ako na mapahiya talaga yung class. Tanong ko yung senior namin about sa modules. Na-shock talaga ako na 120 yung pages ng isang module pa lang. Compared sa senior high, di ba, na pag binigay module, yun na yung entire lesson for the whole semester, di ba? Girl, hindi. Normal yun. Week 1 lang yun.
Hey guys, I'm back home. And today, punta ako sa cafe para makapag-focus ako mag-aaral. Hindi ako masyadong naka-film kasi medyo na-overwhelm ako sa readings ko kahapon. But right now, pupunta ako sa cafe para dire-diretso na yung aaralin ko. So, let's go. Hey guys, it's Friday, July 24. Sobrang gloomy ng panahon kasi may bagyo na pumasok. As far as I know, ngayong araw siya pumasok. Date, online class lang kami. Take ko na yung first na subject ko. Wait na lang ako na exactly 12 o'clock. Nanood lang muna ako ng YouTube kasi ilang araw na ako hindi nanonood ng YouTube. Like, tinanggal ko talaga lahat. Tinanggal ko talaga sa routine ko lahat ng bagay na makakapag-distract sa akin. Pero yung recitation is dapat on Monday. Pero since classes are suspended, then we have more time to finish yung last 10 pages. But my plan is, tapusin na siya today para I can move on sa module number 2. I'm watching this vlog by Ate Raya Kim. Recently ko siya na-discover and super like ko talaga yung vibe niya. Kaya I keep watching her. It's her new upload.
Kung may 1 year sa play ka nun, sarap ng buhay mo eh, no?
Ito yung nasa watch later ko. Na-miss ko kasi manood ng mukbang si Hamzy kasi more on vlogs. Pero meron onting mukbangs pa din dun sa vlogs. Anyways guys, 11:58 na. So,
Ay, sa Makati.
naghintay lang ako
18,
na
17.
naghintay lang ako na may mag-message na start na ng class. Tapos, what I can do is, hindi ko alam ano to, bakit may app akong Canvas ang gamit namin. And then, it's for my study apps. Today is Saturday, July 25. Simula pa lang ng araw ko, which is so not good. Pa ako gising pero nagbi-binge watch lang ako. Masyado kaming ginawa because nag-decide yung mga prof namin na parang this is not giving. Guys, ang funny kasi dinagay ko lang yung flash ng phone ko for this one. Wala talaga, tinamaan talaga ako ng katamaran dahil puro asynchronous na yung mga naging klase ko ng afternoon. And for some reason, dahil siguro sobrang gloomy ng panahon, sobrang antok ako. So, I slept 4 hours. Tagal ko nang hindi naglalaro. So, medyo wala tayong disiplina yesterday. For today, magsisimula na tayo na gawin yung mga assignments. Because number 1 tip, never let your tasks pile up. Wag na wag mong subukang mag-cram. Kasi hanggat kaya mo, gawin mo sila pa isa-isa. Ko na i-edit yung edit masyado. May mga gusto pa akong i-add doon. It looks like this yung preview. Good morning. Shout out sa'yo, Arela.
Oh my God! Ito yung itsura niyo nung bata ako! Like, ganito siya kalaki. This one, I think, parang bagong version? Pero ganito siya, guys. Ang sayo ko kasi nakasale siya, like, 7,000 won. So, let's cook with the go.
Update. I'm done. Malinis na yung sulat ko. Like this. Guys, I am back in the dorm. This is my ulam.
pinabaon sa akin ni ate. And pati rice ko is ganito na. Feeling ko mauubos ko sila lahat. So hot. Sobrang dami na. Nakunintay lang na file. So for now, kain muna tayo. Hindi ko talaga alam anong secret ni ate sa pagkain na ginagawa niya. Good morning, everyone. Manarila ako, guys. Feeling ko, magkakaroon na ako. That's why yung sarili ko today. And 1 hour early ako. Though, gusto ko pa kasi mag-ayos ng hair sana. Kasi nagkakasipon ako pag pumapasok ako na malamig. I have time pa mag-blower muna ako and then we're gonna eat outside. Girl, this is really a good product. Itong scientific pero as a pawising girly, hindi na kaya. Guys, nag-breakout na ako. So, magkakaroon na nga ako. Hindi ko nakabisado kasi minsan pa iba-iba. Ay, shit. This class, hanggang 4 PM ako sa school. So, thank God na asin ko na super subject kasi medyo nag-extend. Hindi talaga medyo. Talagang nag-extend ako ng tulog. Hindi ko nakabag ako. Hindi ko na maintindihan. Please mo na rin habag. Please, calm down. It's like, hindi mo masiraan. Over small things. Naku, may pimple din ako sa brows ko. Let's go, guys. Para bang ang saya-saya pumunta ng school. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. look that bad, guys. I promise. Patuloy-tuloy yung ulan, so nagstay muna ako sa dorm. And I might go home tomorrow instead. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna catch up on studying. So these are my notes. So, hindi pa kompleto yan because meron pa akong mga read na maalala, which is yung codes. Kung kumain, mag-review na ako. Because tomorrow, online class na lang ulit kami. Inaayos ko lang yung mga kailangan ko ayusin. Take a bit of a rest and then balik na naman tayo sa pag-aaral. I need to stay on track with all of my readings and definitely we have a lot of readings. So, may kukwento lang ako, guys. So, yesterday, we had a deadline for this certain subject. It's a major subject for our program. We were already informed like days prior na the activity would be non-graded. So, no worries if low yung grade more than that. But for me, I really wanted to take that practice quiz, even if it's non-graded. I want to know if I've mastered the lessons already. Kabang-kaba ako because sabi ko, what if it's so hard? So I had to reread all of the contents from the module. And then I took my time, like hindi ko inopen yung phone ko for like 5 hours, I think, because I was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my god, more than 7, 8, 9, 10 for 8 hours. So literal na 8 for 8 hours I did not open my phone, did not open my data, so I was not responding to anyone's text. So, your girl, nag-open ako no around 10 p.m. kasi I decided that I'm gonna take the quiz by 10 p.m. Because I thought the deadline was around 11:59, so I thought I had ample time. So when I was about to take it, I opened my messenger first, and then when I opened my messenger, I replied to my friend's message because she was already worried about me kasi like sabi niya, sana naman hindi ka nahimatay, no? Kasi ilang hours na akong hindi nag-open. And then, I casually replied, hi, sorry, late reply. Take ko na yung quiz right now. And then, I stared at the screen of my iPad. Tapos nandun yung quiz. And then, as I was staring at it, sabi ko, parang may mali. Your girl, 5 seconds, sinare ko siya. Sabi ko, skin ko, ano ba yung mali? Parang may kakaiba dito. And then, girl, I realized, yung deadline niya mismo, 10 p.m. Sabi ko na, I know it's not graded, but what if I make an impression na I don't care about this subject? I don't care about this subject, I don't care about this quiz. I really want to take it. So, like, nag-contemplate ako, like, chinat ko yung yung ilang classmates ko na medyo close ko. And then, I asked them, OMG, tanga ko. Anong gagawin ko? Yung message ko ba si Prof? So, girl! Dahil sa katangan na yun, ang first priority ko, as soon as I went home, is gumawa na akong academic tracker. Yun ay isang learning experience for me na medyo magiging type of student tayo for this time. Kasi, girl, mahirap mahuli. At ayoko na kasi like, ay nakakahiya. Like, so, first is, ginawa ko to. This one. So, ang ginawa ko pala is, first, nilagay ko yung title of the subject, then description, deadline, progress. So for description, nakalagay kung anong activity yon and a little bit of additional information about the activity. And then here, the deadline. So, and also, of course, the most important part is yung progress. For the progress, kinopy ko lang yung progress tracker ko from my previous activities. So, for my progress, ito yung options. We have accomplished, in progress, deadline, warning, no progress, move, deadline, and prepare. Meron akong urge na mag-procrastinate. Nilalagay ko tong deadline or warning. But if, of course, it's done and submitted or done na talaga siya, it's accomplished. I also realized I had to make a grade or mark tracker. So, in here, I will track my grades, of course, and submissions. And why I made a grade tracker is because na-inform na rin kami ng ilang profs namin na there might be cases that you want to track your grades and your submissions because sometimes there are mistakes na nagagawa na naman ng ibang prof. Nalo-lost yung file or yung nasubmit mo sa kanila. So, for my end, para may peace of mind and I know to myself na nag-submit ako, I can track them here. Inform na rin kami na sometimes we can make grade consultations during consultation hours and it's not to question the grade that I have but rather medyo may nagkamali sa pag-record ng score ko, I will just take a look or I can monitor if nasusundan pa rin ba yung actual na scores na nakuha ko. Yun lang ng format with my activity tracker. For my grade tracker, super simple lang. Title, activity, and then yung score. So, activity, anong activity yan, and then yung score. And then, I'll just have to update it once meron kaming bagong activity. And that's to also practice na I'm regularly checking and clarifying if tama ba talaga yung nakita ko dahil na ayoko na mangyari yung nangyari ka kasi akala ko talaga 11:59 yung deadline.